If R is the position vector, what is del cross R? It is very simple. What is del? That is I cap dou by dou x plus what is j cap dou by dou y plus k cap dou by dou z. This is del operator cross what is position vector x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Alright. Now what is del cross R I cap? Sorry, I can write here. I cap, j cap, k cap, right. Then here I am writing the second row, right. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and third row I am writing here x, y, z. Now expand. This is del cross R, right. This is del cross R. That is equal to I cap into dou by dou y of z 0. Dou by dou z of y 0 minus j cap into right dou by dou x of z 0 minus dou by dou z of x again 0 plus k cap into right dou by dou x of y 0 minus dou by dou y of x, right. So complete term is 0, then answer is 0. Already we basically studied in a divergence value of position vector, this is 3, del cross of position vector, that is 0, right. This is two important result. You can find this also, you can prove this is 3, right. Alright. Now the cross product of a position vector is 0, that is important result. Divergence of a position vector is 3, alright. Both you can prove, right. Now